This is Lab 6 for computer programming. For this, I have my own self-made opto-isolator, being this photoresistor, this pen that is covered in duct tape to isolate the light so that nothing can shut up, and this LED, which I've put in right here, so when it blinks, one second. Sorry, this thing fell off. Now is flashing, and whenever it lights up in here, the photoresistor can only see the light from the LED, and then the piezo goes off whenever the photoresistor sees light, and then the photoresistor, the resistance goes down to 0, or almost 0, and then this thing goes off, which I have two separate circuits. So this is a 9-volt battery, which I have hooked up here, which the positive leads into the photoresistor, which when the light is turned on allows enough electricity to pass through to go into the piezo, which then makes it go off, and then loops back around to the battery, while the LED is just a simple pin 8 when it turns on to ground. And this is going off of the random number generator for each time it flashes. The random number generator is set for a maximum of 6 and a minimum of 1, so the lowest number that it can spawn is a 1, and the highest number is a 5. 2, 3, 4. See, that was 4. Now, let's go over the program. Now, for the program, let's move this out of the way. To start things off, I have int blue, and blue is equal to 8 for when, and because blue is equal to 8, I have pin mode blue output, which then turns pin 8 into an output. And then underneath blue, I have semidar, or however you want to say it. It's randomness spelled backwards, just for fun. And then whenever and then serial.begin 960 is set, so that is so that this window is assigned to have all of this spawn for whenever something is written. And then serial print ln here within void setup is to run once, and upon every time that it starts up for the first time or I hit restart on the board, it will then say restart, which let's hit upload and wait for it. Give it a minute. This is the first time that's uploading for today. See, whenever it restarts, it says restart for whenever it starts up, or I hit the reset button and restart the program. And after that, I have it semidar equal random for a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 6. So it'll select any number randomly of 1 through 5. And then from serial print, then below that I have serial.print. So then whenever there is a line that appears here, it will say, and the magic number is before the number that it shows here. and then whenever and whatever seminar equals where serial.print ln right here, whatever seminar equals, the number will appear here. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just so that there's a reasonable amount of time for so it's not just going super fast, I have a 2-second delay. So then there's a clear space between each set. And then down to switch. For switch, on whatever 7$ equals in this case, which is the variable here, and is also equal to whatever random is at the moment because of the loop, because it loops all the way back around, it will jump to whatever numbered case equals here, whether it be 1, 2, 3, or 5. So if it just happens to select 3, for instance, it will turn the LED on and off 3 times, causing the VISO button to beep 3 times. And this applies to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And break allows the program to progress past each case, because if it wasn't there, then the program wouldn't be able to leave the case and look at anything else. It would not be able to loop back up to the top and begin the sequence all over again. That is all.